Before you begin, remove the top cover, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, and CPU fan. Removal. Note, the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 3 screws. Loosen the 3 captive T15 Torx head screws that secure the heatsink over the CPU in numerical order. Lift the heatsink straight up and off of the system board and remove it from the chassis. Replacement. Using an alcohol swab, carefully remove the thermal grease from the heatsink and CPU. Apply new thermal grease to the CPU. Inspect the thermal pads on the heatsink to ensure they are properly positioned. If one is torn or otherwise damaged, it needs to be replaced. Align the screws on the heatsink with the screw holes on the system board and place the heatsink into position over the CPU. Tighten the 3 T15 Torx head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board in numerical order.